So we're gonna do a little bit of unboxing. And bam, one of these. No, that wasn't it. The Samsung. So when you order the Note 9, you got yourself the bundle, which is the AKG headset and the Fortnite 15,000 credits. And here, dun dun dun, we got the awesome headset. Can't wait to try it out. What else? That's it? Alright, that's it. So here we have the AKG, the N60 NC model, 15 hours battery life, Bluetooth. It's got the whole noise canceling. It's made for travel. It's 360. You can change it from left and right. Let's do a little unboxing and get into it. Never owned expensive headphones like this before, but since I got it with the Note 9 bundle, why not, take advantage, right? So here we go. Trying to get this set up right. Get this opened up, at least one hand. Pretty sure I messed something up. No, I didn't. All right. Another box between another box, really? What do we got here? Oh, comes in a nice fancy case. What? Oh, it feels nice. It feels very thick too. The whole, the pouch itself. What do we got in here? Comes like in a foam type of. Man, no wonder they were so expensive. Alright, let's test this out. That's a nice little protective pouch. Let's see what we got here. Alright. What the heck is this? Where did this come from? Alright. So this is headset right here. Looks kind of small. Is this gonna fit in my head? Ah, I guess it will. They do one of these. So, not bad so far, right? They swivel, they do like a turn so you can put them on. Do they extend? I don't know if these extend. Oh, they do extend. Oh, nice. So I guess you can do that on the other side as well. That's about it. Yeah, you guys see that right there? So that's the most extend out. Put it on my head real quick. So if you guys are not aware that the Fortnite, the VBucks obviously did not come in this box. So what do we got here? All right, that's about it. They'll email you that code so you can plug that into Fortnite. So in case you're worried that it didn't come through, it did. It's in the email. You got to do the registration through there. Here we got a cable, right, to connect to the phone or to whatever device to the headset. It has like a little microphone in there, like a play button. And then here, what is this? I guess to charge. I'm assuming what this would be like the charger itself. So USB device, and then I love these. Put them in shoes, whatever. No big deal. The noise canceling headset, I can even barely hear myself even talk. It's on point. I actually like it. You can see there's no touch response. It's just, you're gonna have to guess where the volume is and stuff like that. I like to wear hats always because, I don't know, I just love hats. But I can see where this could become a problem. But other than that, like, it's pretty good. Let's put some music into this thing and see how good I can put this as loud as I can and show my review on that.